Okay, compare your thoughts and feelings today with when we were leaving your parents' house in Wisconsin to go to Germany.
It's easy. We're going to Alaska, but we're just going to be in Florida today.
Because we're just driving up the road this time.
It's going to be much different in a year when we're like finally crossing the border into Mexico.
All the fun neighbors here to say bye! We've made so many friends here. It's so sad. They're sweet. We did everything that we could to plan and prep for the trip because it's just more challenging on the road to buy things or get things ordered. And we have been using this new camera. I'll put what it is here. The video quality when we were doing our like how-to and tutorial videos in Indianapolis, the quality is just like night and day. It's so much better. So we've been so excited about this new camera. And here we are on the first day ready to go. Well, we dropped the camera fishing in the live well on the boat, like where all of the bait is, into the salt water. So the camera was fully submerged in salt water and it's been in rice for the past 2 or 3 days. So I'm filming all of this on my iPhone. If you're wondering what it takes to make a YouTube video and publish it out, it's really mostly all about editing because the next couple of days it's just going to be from the iPhone. And a lot of stuff we did on the first trip was just from a GoPro. We still have the GoPro. So you don't need anything fancy. You just need to film good content and edit it well. All right, iPhone, you're up.
Is this the last basket?
What was the last items? Normal things, bathroom
toothbrush,
items.
a chew toy for Pepper, and a phone. That's all you need.
All the essentials. Pepper, what do you think? This is your house now. Pepper, inside. Come on, come on. Good girl. Go. Where's your sofa? Where's your bed?
Transformation is complete.
Well, we're ready to pull out and the stairs won't go in. Well, it's up enough to drive.
Yeah, I broke something.
Oh.
You'll have that. It gives us something to fix down the road, which is fun. Something to look forward. Because we thought we were done, but we're not. It's not done. Don't drop your camera in live wells, kids. It doesn't work out.
It's an expensive day.
It's an expensive, and to top things off, I get to fix the steps, which I'm sure aren't going to be free to fix either.
Yeah, a very expensive day. Pepper, those are cows, sweetie.
600 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
What do you think about
She
cows?
hates them. How can we just stay out?
We're pulling into our first boondocking spot, and
This doesn't look like boondocking. This looks like a real nice place to stay.
so yeah, I don't get it. Like,
Everyone stop, sign in.
You've arrived.
stop and sign in.
Okay.
Okay, we can do that. Please register. Okay, we can do that too. This is the registration.
This is perfect.
What if it rains?
What's the date?
Look at lake.
Activity.
Camping.
See squirrels.
See squirrels. Boondocking is when you camp for free on government land, and in this place you apparently had to register, and that's all we know so far because we haven't done it, so let's go figure it out.
This seems a little too good to be true right now. There's nothing expressly saying like where to park RVs, not that I necessarily need that, but I just feel like somebody's gonna come knock at our door and say like, you can't stay here, it's free. When we pulled out today in our first full day of RVing, this lamp fell from up here. And that's sort of my fault because I didn't screw it in properly. If you're keeping a tally at home, this needs to get fixed. We have the cigarette lighter that has a fuse blown, maybe, but I checked the fuse, so that's not blown, so for some reason that's not working. Our steps are completely broke and look like they're going to be about $400 to fix. We have a rope on them right now. Boop, boop, boop. Oh yeah, we took the door off to fix that because it was a little bit wet at the bottom. Now it doesn't close quite right, so that's something I gotta play with. After a gas stop today, we're driving down the highway and I look back and the door's just like barely opening up. So that needs to get fixed.
Tonight, we dine by candlelight. This is our first morning and this is so fun. I hope we didn't just luck out and got a gorgeous sight boondocking for the first night just out of pure luck.